Hello friends! Today we're going to make rainbow wraps. It's a colorful wrap that has a variety of ingredients from the fruit and vegetable groups. Let's get started! Let's take a look at the recipe. Before we start, we need to make sure our work area and hands are clean. And don't forget to wash your hands for 20 seconds. Now, let's look at the materials we need. We need a cutting board, a knife, measuring cups and spoons, a colander, a juicer, and that's optional, and a small bowl and a spoon. And now, for the ingredients, we'll need 1/4 of a small purple cabbage, washed and chopped, 1 bell pepper, any color, preferably red, washed and chopped, 1 mango, washed and chopped, or 1 cup cubed frozen mango, thawed, 1 can low-sodium black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 cup baby spinach, juice of 1 lime, 1 cup shredded low-fat cheese, half a cup plain non-fat or low-fat yogurt, regular or Greek, half teaspoon ground cumin, and 4 whole wheat tortillas. Let's take a look at the directions. Mix cumin, plain yogurt, and lime juice together. Spread each tortilla with 1 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt mix. Layer each tortilla with equal amounts of cabbage, bell pepper, mango, black beans, spinach, and low-fat cheese. Look at all of these beautiful colors. Roll them up in the tortilla to make your wrap. Enjoy!